My question that came to my mind was, what if this is the last time that you have for a practice? Like, what if this is the last time that you come to practice on this football field? Like, what if this is the last, like, what if you got to turn in your shoulder pads next week? Like, what if this is the last time that you can wear that burgundy and white? What if this is the last time that you're going to put on that helmet? How are you going to respond to it? How are you going to practice? How are you going to run through your drills? How are you going to call the cadences? How are you going to stretch? How are you going to line up against that opponent? We don't got to give no glory to the people that we're going to beat down tomorrow. We know what they got, and they don't got what we got. You got to understand who you are. If you want to be successful on the field and off the field, you got to understand who you are. You know, Gator, you're a general. No, I'm not trying to be corny or cliche. I need you to understand what it means to be a general. That means you're trained and equipped. That means you're ready for war. That means you have everything that you need. That means that you are ready to conquer whatever battle is in front of you. And I'm not trying to impress you. I'm just trying to impress a point upon you. That everything that you commit to on the field and off the field, in the classroom, out of the classroom, in your community, everything that you commit to, you will accomplish. So I'm asking you guys on this day, I'm asking you guys in this on this Wednesday in November, are you going to be committed to giving it all that you have? Because this is a possibility that this could be the last time that you will ever wear this. Are you committed to giving it everything you got? Tomorrow, when you strap up and you get ready at 6 o'clock, I don't want you to die full. I don't want you to go on the field and not leave everything out. I want you to pour everything out that you got. Does that make sense? Yes or no? I need some more energy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I need you to pour everything out that you got. Don't leave nothing left. Don't leave anything left. This is the measure of a young man. This is the measure of coming into adulthood. This is the measure of success in your life when you give it all you got. Every opportunity that you have. If you look at the opportunity as something that you cannot accomplish, or if you look at the opportunity that's in front of you as something that you cannot do, you're right. You won't be able to do it. But if you look at the opportunity in front of you, the challenge, the test that's in front of you, if you look at it as an opportunity to overcome or be better or sharpen your skills or win the war, then you will. So I need you guys to make the most out of this opportunity. It's an analogy that an acronym that I want y'all to remember. I want y'all to remember the time is now. Emphasis on the now. And what that stands for is no opportunity wasted. Emphasis on the now, no opportunity wasted. Do you hear me?
Sir.
I know. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
No opportunity wasted. I don't care who line up in front of you. If they got the wrong colors on, they got to get it. I don't care who it is, mama, grandpa, whoever. If they got the wrong colors on, you better give it to them every single play. No opportunity wasted. Every single down, no opportunity wasted. Every single time you strap up your cleats, no opportunity wasted. Every time you walk to the field, no opportunity wasted. Every time you see your mom and dad in the stands, no opportunity wasted, because that could be your last opportunity. Repeat after me, no opportunity wasted.
No opportunity wasted.
I can't be louder than all of y'all. No opportunity wasted.
No opportunity wasted.
I love it.